Okay, Ledesma, today we're coming at you with a Free Choice Friday. We're going to do giant bubbles, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade bubbles. Theo, go ahead and demonstrate that for us, and see if you can make a giant bubble. Go on. Ooh, he's got a huge bubble going. All right, excellent. What we do here is we have our ingredient list. So we need distilled water, we need glycerin, and you need dish soap. Now, here's the thing about this. I have heard that glycerin, well, I know that glycerin is very expensive, so I've heard that you can substitute corn syrup in for the glycerin. And I have heard that Joy brand dish soap works the best, although I have Dawn here, and that also works. So once again, you can use distilled water, glycerin, and Dawn. You need approximately 3.5 cups of distilled water, 21 tablespoons of dish soap, and 7 tablespoons of glycerin. It helps if you mix it up the night before and let it sit overnight. All right, then the next thing you need to do is make yourself a bubble wand. Okay, I've used 2 wooden dowels here. We put in some little hooks at the top. We tied string to it and put a washer at the bottom of it for weight. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and see if I can demonstrate it. So we'll let Theo demonstrate it one more time. Show us some giant bubbles there, Theo. Okay, and you can see he made some huge bubbles with that one. All right, excellent. And then I'm gonna pass the camera over and I'm gonna try to do it myself here. So let me see if I can make this work. Okay, so here we go. Now it helps when you go to make your giant bubbles if you move rather slowly, right? Be calm about it. And it doesn't always work right the first time. A lot of times you can get it to work the second or the third time by being patient, right? And you can make some huge bubbles. So there you are. That is giant bubbles for Free Choice Friday. I will post the ingredient list online, and I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great Friday. Let me see if I can do one more bubble here for you, just for fun. Giant bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, I'm having trouble getting them to leave. It's a little windy out today, so that's the idea, right? We're making giant bubbles, and if you make it a little better, it might even work better than this. You can experiment with the ingredient list too and see what works best, right? You can substitute in different amounts. You can look up more recipes online. There are lots of them all over the internet. I need to give credit for this particular recipe to my brother-in-law, Ed the Oak. So thank you to him, and happy Friday. Bye. Okay, as an addendum to my earlier video on giant bubbles, Serena's going to show us how to make a really big one. So here we go. She's going to go ahead and make a huge one, hopefully. No, that didn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, she's going to try to make a huge bubble. Let's see what happens here. There we go. So that's what you can do with these giant bubbles once again. Okay, and let's see her do it one more time. Excellent. She's better at this than I am. Look how big she can make the bubbles. So there you go. I hope you try it. Bye.